Hi guys, I just bought this dough stopper alarm. I got it from Amazon. I got the batteries to go in it, and also I got this. And I have the link in the comments below where you can get it at Amazon. So let's see. You got a high, medium, and low. We're gonna put it on low. On the back, you got to turn it on. Okay, we're gonna put this at the bottom of the door. Like maybe right there. So let me open up the door and see. So yep, that works. Now you can use these at your hotel rooms when you're traveling, or anywhere that you're spending overnight, and you just want to be safe. And that's what this is for. When they try to open up the door, they can't open the door. So let's see.